10:10, we're almost on time for the entrance at 10 a.m. Everything went perfect, well organized, Mom. And we took a bus because I was really worried if we could take a taxi. Because here they need, unless you have Free Now and you have Cabify, online apps for taxis, but they need the car seat for the babies like 2, 3, 4 years old. Otherwise you can be fined 3,000 euros. So lots of taxi drivers, they just leave, and that's a complication for us. I decided to take a bus, which was really cool. It costs 2 euros for the adults and for the kids 6+, and you can pay with your card. And if you pay with the card, the guy said, then you can use any other transport, any other buses within the first hour. Unless you pay with cash, it's okay as well, and they give you the little ticket.
This was always in my mind to ask, so could I please ask you for a favor before we start? If you like our videos and what we do here and you would like to support us, the simple and free way to do just that is to hit that subscribe button below. Also, we're a multilingual family and we mainly use 3 languages in all our videos, so please hit that CC button on the top right corner to switch on subtitles and watch all the videos in your preferred language. Now, let's get back to the video.
Finally, we entered Bioparc. We reserved the tickets online and we are ready to see hippos. We're ready to see elephants, giraffes and all of that. So what is Bioparc? Oh, Bioparc. Bioparc is like a safari. It is gorgeous. It is clean and lots of animals can be together and can stay together. You will see all right now by yourself. Teo has been here already once. This is our second time. I really loved it here. The animals, the combinations of animals in one space, the absence of the cages is just spectacular. It's really good, and as you can see, it's all green area. So we decided on the last day of our trip we will explore a little bit of animals, something different from the beach. And to be honest, they are so excited. Also, if you download the app of the Bioparc, then you can see all the activities that are planned for the day. My time of making videos is over.
Guys, remember that we have a fantastic blog, parentingforever.com, that talks about parenting and traveling with kids. Anything from essentials to education and child development to baby's first year of life, and of course, traveling with kids section. And do not forget free resources. Click on the website link in the description below, subscribe to our newsletter, and stay tuned at all times. It means the world to us.
The great thing about this park that it's all one way, so it's really easy to see all the animals. So we found out the first activity at 10:30 until 2 is to meet the lemurs. Lemurs in English. And this is what we're going to do. We're searching for lemurs, and then we hope to touch them, to pet them, and to know more about them. На деревьях там. There are tons of them. Ай, какие милые. Привет, лемурчик. Убежала? Убежал, попрыгал. Смотри, сколько их на деревьях. Смотрите, на пальме вон один, второй. И вон там сидят. Ой, смотрите, видели, как с ветки на ветку перепрыгивает? Yo cuando hacen eso no me mola mucho. Mira, es que estos son diferentes. Imagínate tanta selva, madre mía. ¿Kai испугался? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Лемуры начали громко голосить. We got a little bit scared right now. What just happened? All of a sudden, all the lemurs started to growl. And Theo and Kai was like, ooh. And Kai just got Theo.
Kai, тебе страшно?
Да. We think they're fighting because of that lemur, that orange one, the brownish one that came. And then the fuss started, and the whole forest became like this. Здорово, да? Пойдемте? Пойдем. We're a bit scared. Пойдем. Вставай на ночь. Вау, олени вместе с шимпанзе.
Да.
Шимпанзе и потом олени.
Hi guys, this is really cool with the chimpanzees with some deer. There are some deer. That's very cool. Look. Mom, показывай.
Да.
And there is a chimpanzee with his bum sticking out.
This is just to say how cool this park is because they match animals and they combine them and put them together. And these animals normally walk by themselves. We just donate a little bit for the gorillas. It was Theo's idea. Theo, тебе понравилось?
Ну, один мужчина гориллы вот так сделал, а потом едил вспышку. Я его арестую, когда буду большой.
And what Theo says that the conditions for gorillas are really bad. Like to have gorillas at the zoo is just sad. It's sad. And people are different here. Она не упала, она лежит, а другая ей массаж делает. Смотри, видишь, на голове ищет всего. О, смотри, открыл пасть. Смотрите, какая пасть, какие зубы. Во-во-во-во, пошли. Попрыгали. Выглянула. The baby is being breastfed right now. Видишь, он сосет. Он какает. Тео, он какает. Взял какашку в руку. Ты не видишь этой стороны? Это шимпанзе какала и взяла какашку в руку. Смотри, у него в руке какашка. lucky to see how they feed the hippopotamus and then also the elephants. And now I'm having my paradise time. The baby's asleep. That's been a challenge. He's napping and we are having time for coffee and ice cream. And then this to say that in the half of a day, so now it is 1:53, so it's 2 o'clock. We started at 10 and we've just done the first part of the park. There is a half of the park left, and I think that would be enough to actually spend the whole day here, because what we also thought of, we took some food and we had a picnic. So we avoided all the queues and buying all the food that last time I didn't really like. It was not a really good quality. But picnic really works well. Look guys, you can see here giraffes with some antelopes and then lions and lionettes right in front of them, and they don't eat them. Look at that. You can see the lion is there and giraffes are here. Ты посмотри, какая мама вместе с Каем, а там папа и Тео. Ты видишь? Маленький слоненок, это Кай. Там папа. It was very interesting today that one of the keepers said that rhinoceros are really peaceful animals. Смотри, какая красота. Смотри, как он кушает. Смотри, какие... У них вот два рога на носу, видел? Большой и маленький. Знаете, как они кушают прям с землей? И ушки такие ослиные. Привет, мой сладкий. Привет, единорожек. Ух ты. Смотрите, вот они, красавцы. Обалдеть. Обалдеть. Very impressive. I love rhinoceros. I just love them. And these two are really challenging. Since the nap time, my paradise was over. They just fight and fight and fight and fight and fight.
No! He just kicked me!
Все, я устала от вас. I'm exhausted. Both are very challenging. Это носорог. Это их туалет.
Они писают.
Да, он стал писать и какать. Смотри. О, какой ты молодец. Apparently, these rhinoceros are well trained. They have the toilet. Смотри, смотри, смотри. Whoa, 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 whoa. Куда вы побежали? Bye, Valencia, this time. Valencia. Bye. Bye.